Make parking a breeze in the new 2020 Hyundai Sonata with available smart parking assist. Let me show you how it's done. It is very simple to use. Let's say you're in front of a parking spot and it's a very tight squeeze. Put your car in park, hit this P button right over here. It will prompt you in the screen up front. Get out your vehicle. So on the key, you have two separate buttons. One to move the car up and one to move it back. In this case, we're gonna move it up. Just press and hold, and the car will automatically move up. And when you come back to your vehicle, just press and hold the remote start button, and now hit it in reverse. For more information, please come visit us here at City World Hyundai at 3350 Boston Road, and it's better to buy in the Bronx.